Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Audacity on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and then on Google, search for download Audacity, and then just open up the first link from audacityteam.org/download. Then select Windows. Then select the version of your Windows. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm gonna download the 64-bit one. If yours is 32, download the 32 one. I'm going to download the 64-bit for myself. After that, just wait. The download has started. It's gonna take a few seconds to download. The file is not that big, so just wait patiently. And after the download has been completed, just click on the file to open it. It's gonna ask for admin permission. Just click on yes. After that, you can minimize your browser. Then from here, just select your language. Mine is English, so I'm gonna select English and click on OK. After that, this installation wizard is gonna come up. Just click on next. Click on next again. Then select where you want to install it. And then just click on next. Then just click on next again. Click on install. Then just wait. It will install the software for you. And after it has been done, just make sure to check this and click on finish. Then just wait. Audacity will launch. And there you go, Audacity has launched. Just click on OK. And there you go, this is basically your Audacity software. And that is how to install Audacity on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.